All right, so a little update on the e-bike shenanigans. I snapped the derailleur hanger, which is what started this whole thing. It was kind of good. So a little silver lining helped me understand that this cassette was completely bent. You can kind of see it. It's this bottom one there. Oh yeah, it's right there. Anyway, that was bent, so that needs to be replaced. And then this little friend here took it off, and upon further inspection, realized that is like toast. Terrible. It's like all sorts of bent. This sprocket's chewed. So silver lining helped me, realize a few issues. Also on the talk forum of Quietkat, some guy said, if you get stuck out there, just turn this into a single speed. Just put it on one chain, super loose. This is not ideal, but I rode it around, and not that I'd go out on a trip like this, but if you're in the backcountry totally stuck, this would probably get you home if you're careful. If that thing exploded like it did on me, thankfully I was here in the garage. But yeah, right before go on my hunting trips. Unfortunate timing, but it was good to know that this is completely thrashed, and this. Yeah, silver lining.